Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about Nextstar. If you use WordPress, you know how powerful it can be. But sometimes it's also difficult and slow when you don't know about how to code. So Nextstar is a tool that helps you to build your faster WordPress site without needing any coding skill. And in the present time, it has become one of the most loved builders for small businesses, creators, or even agencies. Now, before we start, I just want to say one thing: to check the description below this video, because there is a special link waiting for you. Through the link, you can unlock lifetime deals or extra discount on powerful tools like this one. So don't forget to check this out after watching this. Okay, now let's come back to Nextstar. What makes Nextstar different from the usual WordPress builder? So this is the speed and the simplicity. Many builders out there are heavy, so they add too many features and your website becomes slow. Nextstar is lightweight. It is designed to load fast even if you add a lot of content. So this is very important in this time because speed is directly connected to SEO and user experience. A slow website can make people leave and you lose visitors. The second big benefit is that you don't need to coding knowledge. So Nextstar has just drag and drop feature, so you can place section, images, button and forms very easily. You can design pages that look professional without ever touching the code. So this is perfect for beginners who want something simple, but also for professionals who just want to save time. Nextstar also gives you ready-made templates. You don't have to start from scratch. Let's say you want a landing page for your online course, or maybe a home page for your local business or local shop. So you can just pick a template and adjust color, text and images to match your brand. And in few minutes, you have a working website. Another important update in this time is how Nextstar integrates with other tools. So you can connect it with your marketing platform, your email service or your e-commerce plugin. This way, your website is not just a static page but a working business system. Something I really like about Nextstar is focus on SEO and mobile design. More than half of internet traffic today comes from phones, so your website must look good on small screens. Nextstar automatically optimizes layout for mobile and tablets, so you don't need to worry about this part. And with SEO options built in, your site has a better chance of ranking on Google. Now let's talk about why this matters. Many businesses today are online first. Your website is the first impression people can get. So if it looks bad or loads slowly, people wouldn't take you seriously. Nextstar helps solve this problem by making your website beautiful, fast and easy to manage. So overall, Nextstar in this time is a great solution. If you want to build a WordPress site quickly and without code, it saves time, it saves money and it keeps your site running smoothly. And I hope now you understand what is Nextstar and how it can help you to your business and your product selling. So before we end this video, remember to check the description. I told about earlier that special link actually from AppSumo. On the AppSumo you can get this deal as a lifetime access, so just go and check it out. Okay, so if you think this video helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.